to what degree are regulations of psychoactive substance slowing down research, and is it harder to finance a project or get it approved by the government? So we certainly know that there are levels of legality and illegality with these substances here in the United States.
So all the work that we're doing is 100% clinically focused. It's either R&D in a lab or is meant to go directly into clinical trials. And so that actually, because of that, the legalities are very similar, if not exactly the same, to any other novel pharmaceutical development. There's a lot of regulatory steps that we have to comply with, but they're really well set out and defined. And so there's a nice pathway that we can follow with the correct due diligence. That's a really clear pathway, although complex. So that's actually relatively nice. My prior professional experience was in the cannabis industry, which I think is the exact sort of poster child of the opposite of that, where everything is in a gray area, and it actually creates a whole lot of barriers to institutional funding, to all sorts of logistical hurdles, if you will. This is really not that. It's much more analogous to a pharmaceutical type development, and has similar levels of, or exactly the same levels of regulatory hurdles and documentation, et cetera, that we have to deal with.